Yeah, so there is also another safety culture model developed by a man called Heinrich, H.W. Heinrich in the year 1939, and is one of the earliest and most influential frameworks in occupational health and safety. So the model emphasizes the relationship between workplace accident, unsafe act, and organizational practices. Its foundational principle is that accidents are preventable and often result from human behavior and systemic failures. So Heinrich model has significantly influenced safety management and uh, safety management practices, yes, across the mining industries or across the various industries and all that. So as you can see here, that with the Heinrich Safety Pyramid here, you can see it that the first one, number one, there is a major injury. So it means that, or the pyramid here is telling us that for 300 accidents with no injuries to occur in the mining industries, if care is not taken, if lessons are not learned from that, or if they are not reported, it can lead to 29 accidents with minor injuries. And if lessons are not also learned from there, it can lead to one major injury. And that major injury can be like a worker may lose one of the legs or one of the hand, or the eyes will go blind, or the worker cannot even walk again. So let's take note of that. So here, here you could see major injuries, which is represented at the apex, and these are rare but severe incidents. For example, the fatalities. Then you could also see minor injuries, which also occupy the middle parts, occurring more frequently but with less severe consequences. Then the near misses and unsafe acts also form the broad base, occurring most frequently and often without immediate harm. So Heinrich proposed that addressing and learning from incidents at the base of the triangle can significantly reduce occurrences at the upper levels. So definition of learning culture in Heinrich triangle context says that, you see, a learning culture within Heinrich safety culture triangle is an organizational approach that systematically learns from unsafe acts, near misses, and minor injuries to prevent major incidents. It also emphasizes proactive identification of hazards, analysis of incidents, and implementation of preventive measures, thereby focusing on the base of the triangle to influence outcomes at all levels. So if mining companies are paying attention to the base of this triangle, it will prevent, the minor injuries and the major injuries from occurring. It will prevent them from occurring. So what are some of the things that we can learn from this type of triangle? We can learn one of the things that you can learn from this triangle is that a proactive approach always can reduce near misses and all that, because actively encouraging reporting and analysis attitude of near misses and unsafe acts on site and all that can help reduce the rate at which near misses and minor accident and major accident occurs on site and all that. So let's move on to the components of the Heinrich triangle. And you could see that there is a ratio of event here, which says that for every major accident resulting in severe injury or death, there is 29 already minor injuries that has occurred. And then for 29 minor injuries to also occur, then it means that there had already been 300 near misses occurrences on site, and attention were not paid to those near misses. So the ratio is 1:29:300. So it means that if the near misses are not, lessons are not learned from those near misses, or then those near misses are not reported, it can lead to 29 minor injuries on sites. And when that also happens too, it can also lead to one major accident on site. So principles of this model, the first one is accident, prevention. And yes, accident prevention through the root cause analysis, and then proactive risk management. And of course, you understand all these, and behavioral safety focus and systemic approach and all that. You don't have to waste time here. And then you have benefits of, the model. So one of them is proactive approach, which encourages early identification of hazards through near misses and all that. Then behavioral focus, highlight the importance of training and awareness to reduce unsafe acts. Then foundation for modern safety practices, which also provides a basis for contemporary safety frameworks, such as behavior-based safety programs. And then broad applicability, which is also useful across various industries, from mining and construction to healthcare and aviation and all that.